Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about string indexing in Python. A string is a collection of characters. For example, text equals to Python. Here each letter inside the word has its own position number. That position number is called index. Python starts indexing from 0. Let's see for example Python p is equals to index 0 and y 1, t is equals to 2, h is equals to 3, 0, sorry, o is equals to 4 and n is equals to 5. These are the indexing numbers for the Python string. So the first character always starts at index 0, not from 1. So to access a specific character, we use square brackets. For example, text is equals to Python, print text of index 0. Then P will be output for the given code. Because P is at position 0. Another example, print text of index 3. H will be printed. This is called string indexing. In the slide 2, we have positive and negative indexing. Now let's understand about it. Positive indexing starts from left to right, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the Python. We can see example in the slide 2, but Python also supports negative indexing. Negative indexing starts from right to left. So n is equals to minus 1, o is equals to minus 2, h is equals to minus 3, t is equals to minus 4, y is equals to minus 5 and p is equals to minus 6. Now for the example print text of minus 1, output will become n because minus 1 means the last character. Another example print text of minus 3 and output will be h. Negative indexing is useful when we want characters from the end of the string. Positive indexing from left to right and negative indexing from right to left. You can remember this easily. So today we have learned about what is string indexing and how it works, and positive indexing and negative indexing. You can practice more and more examples so you can get an idea how it works and what is it exactly. So keep practicing and happy coding.